for today's session. And I welcome our resource person, Dr. Anand Anbalagan, for today's session. Dr. Anand Anbalagan received ME Communication System from Tyagaraja College of Engineering, Madurai in 2007 and PhD degree from Anna University, Chennai in 2017 in the specialization of Information and Communication Engineering. He has 17 years of teaching and 7 years of research experience. Currently, Dr. Anand is working as Associate Professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Technology, TVTI, Addis, Ababa. He has published more than 25 international journals and conferences, and one of his patients granted by Australia. Dr. Anand is member of IEEE and life member of Institution of Engineers, IENG, and ISTE. He served as a speaker and resource person for various workshops and webinars in communication engineering areas. His research areas are channel coding, DNA storage systems, LDPC codes, and AI, ML, and DSP architectures. And today, our research person is going to organize a webinar on artificial intelligence in action, from language understanding to intelligent robots, and the rest of the sessions will be taken by our resource person. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Jananishri, for your wonderful introductions. Can I share my slide? Would you allow to share my slide too? So if you stop your, yeah, thank you. You can share my slide.
Yeah,
that's sharing. Could you see my slide, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So just I make it, is it a full screen or? Yeah, it's a full screen,
sir.
Okay, so it's a very good evening to everyone. Here is around 4:30. So, but in India is around 7 o'clock. I'm Dr. Anand Anbalagan. Actually, Jananishri was giving very brief introduction about me. Thanks a lot. And I really, thanks to the webinar for the team of Kamaraj Engineering College, the coordinators and the head of the department and the principal. So I'm so happy to be the part of this webinar. I'm so excited to meet Tamil students after a long time. So here I am teaching with the African students. So it's so much excitations to my beloved land students. So today the topic is around that is artificial intelligence in action, from language understanding in the understanding to intelligent robotics. Actually, I request everyone to be the part. Is not a normal classroom or simply I'm just speaking, you're listening is not the part. So I expect you be the part of the webinar, and you can raise your queries and you can respond to me. So make the session to be much more interactive. First of all, I would like to know all the students can hear my sound. If you're hearing my voice is clear, you can give me the thumbs up like this. So if you're here, my voice is audible to everyone. Is this audible? Okay, I can get some hands from Asim, Durgarams. So kind of you. So we can move around the next slide. So I expect your corporations to be here. So the outline, what we are going to discuss this webinar around 60 minutes, probably on 60 minutes. So the outline is what is intelligence, what is language, what is artificial intelligence, what is the natural language processing, NLP pipeline, and how the language modelings are working, what is pattern recognition, and finally intelligent agent and robotics. These are all the outline what we are going to discuss today. So the next one is Intelligence meaning. Anyone can say what is intelligence? Anyone can say. You can make it unmute, or you can raise your hands, or make it the session is. So please invest the time in a very proper way. So I request to all the students, it's not a normal class. Even it is a wrong answer also, it may be appreciable. I need your any initiations. Anybody is there to say something? What is intelligence? Anybody have some idea about it? I don't want any concrete definitions or answers. So you can answer by your own also, not an issue. Anybody can do that. Don't hesitate. What do you mean by intelligence? Intelligence means what? Because you are the department from artificial intelligence, and so anybody can say something else. It's okay. Okay, I think you are not comfortable with me, so no problem. Within some minute, you can comfortable with me, no problem. So the answer is the intelligence means ability to learn, understand, and apply knowledge and skills, adapt in new situations, and how to solve the problems in a different environment. That is called as intelligence. Intelligence means these 4 points are the concrete of intelligence. So intelligence means you are ready to learn, and after the learning we have to understand. After the understanding we have to apply the knowledge. Somebody is understand but not apply the knowledge means the intelligence is waste. Actually, is no need to use actually. So adapt the new situation, and finally we can solve the problem with the help of whatever the learn we made in the last time. So this is called as intelligence. Do you believe this was actually artificial intelligence was recently developed one? But do you believe that these 4 points are uh, already done by our? Do you believe that it was set 2000 years before? That is was Thiruvalluvar. We know very well. So that Kural, anybody can spell the Kural? Is possible? Anybody can spell the Quran? It's possible? Excellent. Thank you, Mr. Vignesh. Really, I appreciate him. So Vignesh is the first coder. Just opened our webinar. It's a brave attempt, right? Really, in front of all members. Really, thanks for Vignesh. Your initiation is appreciated. Karka kasadara karpavai katrapin nirka adarkataga. It's what is the mean actually? It means that whatever we discuss now, ability to learn karka, understand and apply the knowledge and skills. So that is called kasadara. Nirka adapt new situation. Adarku taga is called solve problem. So these 4 points are completely is giving a concrete idea by already a Tirukural. So that we are the artificial intelligence not come from any other point. The artificial intelligence that's key was there actually. You need a key. That key. Let's see. So, so the intelligence is the ability to learn, understand, and apply the knowledge and skills, and adapt new situations and solve the problems. Okay, so this is called as intelligence. Are you comfortable? Are you clear about what is intelligence? Ability to learn, understand, and apply knowledge and skills, and adapt new situation and solve the problems. Okay. Right. So then what is artificial intelligence? The artificial intelligence is the capability of computer system. We are going to give this intelligence to the computer system, especially to its records such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, problem solving, perception, and the decision making. So the artificial intelligence means what is the intelligence? Learning and reasoning and the problem solving and perception and thinking. So we are going to these 4 points to our computer to do this task. So how to do the task? That is the main question marks about the artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence means we are going to incorporate these 4 points to the computer. Okay, right. Language. So today our topic is somewhat critical. What is that language? So anybody can. Anybody? What do you mean by language? In your perspective, no problem. It may be right or wrong. I need your presence, like why, how the Vignesh was done previously. Is anybody can unmute and you can say your points about the language.
Tool to communication, sir.
Excellent, excellent. As in star. Actually, yeah, is really your star? It is a tool to communicate. I'm really appreciate about the answer from Mazen. So language is tool to communicate. What are the languages you know? You know what are the languages you know? Anybody other than Asin or Vignesh? Anybody is there? So what is the what are the language you know? Languages.
Tamil, Hindi, and English,
Yeah.
bro. Sorry,
Wow,
sir.
wow, wow. Great. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So, as in, once again, I just congratulate the as in is. So, he said that the list of languages Tamil, Hindi, and English. So, these are all the communicate language or linguistic language what we have in our normal way of communication. They are called natural languages. They are called natural. But in terms of communication languages, we can computer languages. We have some points like. Could you see this? What are the languages have? Types of programming languages. The programming languages are they are classified as four. I mean, it's a main classification is procedural languages, functional and programming languages, object-oriented languages, and script programming languages, and finally logic programming languages. These are all the programming language what the computer can understand. But what Asin said, the languages is that the Tamil, Hindi, and English, all are the human can understand, but the language is understand by the computer is these type of languages called procedural language, which is C++, Java, Pascal, Fortran. I think Pascal and Fortran you may not study. We studied the Pascal and Fortran. Basic language, B language. We studied B languages. At the age of 2000, we studied. After that, 2001, the C languages was evolved. Actually, we start language first of all. First languages C language we evolved. So the procedural language, it has some procedure and functional. I hope I don't want to go inside these languages. This is not my role today to explain that one. So just I want to say these are all the types of languages we need. The computer can understand. But even the computer cannot understand this kind of languages. What are the languages? Procedural, functional, and object-oriented, scripting, and logic programming. These languages are only the computer can understand, but the computer can understand only. You can see here, you can see my cursor. The computer can understand only the binary language, which is called a machine language. This is called high-level language. This is, we can say there's a machine languages. What is high-level language? High-level language means these are all the 5 high-level languages. These are all the high-level languages. So high-level languages are procedural, functional, and logic programming languages, and scripting and object-oriented languages. So anybody can say, what is Perl? Perl under what category? Perl language. Anybody can say Perl under the which category of language is Perl by seeing this diagram? It's possible to answer anybody? Perl, here the Perl is there. The Perl. So the Perl is under which category of language? Anybody? Am I audible? Am I audible to everyone? Okay. So the Perl, yeah, thank you. The Perl is under the category of what? Scripting language. It is under the, if you learn Perl, you can earn more and more money in globally. Actually, if you learn the Perl languages, nowadays the Perl and Ruby all have the two languages are very interesting languages. If you are master in the languages, there are multiple jobs maybe in front of your gate. So I request you, even in a second year, if you have a good language skill, better I am recommend to everyone to learn Perl and Ruby languages. They are very much more the language which can give more job opportunities in the global level. So just I want to know the types of high level. This is the high level languages. So what we know. So all are what we are came to know is the high level languages. But the problem is the system cannot understand even the high level language. The system can understand the binary languages only, which is called ones and zeros. So the high level languages is given to the compiler. The compiler is going to give the object code. This is called intermediate languages. This can be called as assembly languages. Assembly language, microprocessor and microcontroller. It can contain these languages. And finally, the linker is converting the object code into binary. So this is that how the system can understand. So already we said the system artificial intelligence means we can convert the system into some intelligence activities like learning, adapting, and finally solving the problem, those kind of things. So anyhow, we have to talk the binary language to the computer, but we have the high level languages. Anyone can say what is the anyone example for high level languages? Anyone, if you have, anyone can say the high level example, high level languages example. Anyone now just now we see for your convenient, I can go there just for a second. Yeah. Any yeah anybody may know. I think there's still again Vignesh. Please anybody can say Harish or Madan. You want to say something? Any high level? I think there are 94 students are available. So please invest your time with full of interest. So that's why I want to engage you. That's the reason I'm asking the questions. I want to engage you to the whole. I'm not taking more than 60 minutes. So just I want to make you engaging to the webinar. That's why I'm asking some questions to you. So if you're answering, I'm so happy about it. So can you say about any example for high level language?
Python, sir.
Python. Yes, Tulasi Priyan is really under. Tulasi Priyan is, I'm so happy. It's a great effort. Python is a high level language. Other than Python, anyone can say any other languages about high level language other than Python? Rajkumar, yes, please. I couldn't see. I couldn't hear you, Mr. Rajkumar.
Java, sir.
Java, excellent, excellent. Thank you, Rajkumar. Is enough. Tulasi Priyan and Rajkumar made a wonderful things. I appreciate both of them. Yes, of course, Java and the Python and Perl, other things are really high-level language. But the high-level language cannot be understood again, but we have to convert into the binary, which is called as machine language. That's we know very well in previous classes. So now we come for the natural language. Natural language already Vignesh or Azin said that the natural languages like Tamil, Hindi, and English or any other local languages, even French, Malayalam, whatever the things, they have natural languages. And natural languages are having that's called phonetic or linguistically structured. The natural languages are linguistically structured, and some places is non-structured also. Some places regional based languages, same word cannot can be some other slang also. Some Madurai they are speaking something else different, and Salem and Coimbatore, even and Tirunelveli also. I think many of the languages can be spoken in same meaning but different slang. We can make it into. How many of you here Tirunelveli is? You can give a thumbs up. Tirunelveli language, Tirunelveli regions. How many of you available? Ritika, Tulasi Priyan from. Oh my God, thank you. Tulasi Priyan also from Tirunelveli. Okay. So Naveen Srinivasan, really, I'm so happy about that. So Saravana. Okay, so it's good. It's great to know. So for that they are doing some in Chennai. I think that mostly Chennai people is not available. Is any Chennai is available? Chennai persons are here. Any Chennai native persons are to be here? Oh, Madhi. Okay, Madan is there. Okay. Normally in Chennai we can speak like அங்க இருந்து அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுக்கு we can speak like இந்த அண்ட அந்த அண்ட same thing. But in Madurai we can say இங்கிட்டு அங்கிட்டு. In Tirunelveli, how can you say from here and there? Can I know? Tirunelveli people, how can you say here and there? Is anybody Tirunelveli? So the same word from to here, different slang may be available. That also the complex of the natural languages. So natural languages has its own slang based activity. So the slang is one of the complexity of linguistic language. And accent also, accent we can our Coimbatore is called Yananga. This kind of things can start from Coimbatore. And Ele, NLA, this kind of things, the same kind of the accent also is different and the spell also different. If you are come for in African countries, Nigeria and Nigerian language and the Kenya language, for furnitures they are using different type of furnitures means FURNITURE, that is a furniture word we have. But in Kenya language they are used double I, double R, double E, like that. They are using some different spelling they can use in different languages for same kind of letters or words and all. So the natural language has multiple the natural language have multiple complexity because they are structured, some places non-structured, region-based, this is slang controlled and accent, and finally is a spell also. It's different from different places. So it's kind of natural languages. So natural language, now we are talking about three languages: natural language, high-level language, and machine language. High-level languages means, for example, all programming languages are called high-level languages. And finally, machine language means simply is the ones and zeros. Now we are talking about the natural language. So once upon a time, we are writing all the codes by only the high-level languages, not for natural languages. But for example, find the largest number. So this is that what code can anybody can guess what kind of code it is? It is a code of what? High level code. What kind of code is this based from? Which code? Anyone can guess? Ritika, really appreciable. Ritika, really appreciable from your answer. I'm so happy about it. So it's exactly correct. It is a C++ code is find the largest number. I think in this code we can see some language which we can understand, but this is we can speak. Can we speak this language? Can we speak? I think, ma'am, can you mute? Saraswati, ma'am, can you mute it? I think the admin can mute. Okay, right. So actually, the C++ language, that language is this speakable? This is high-level language. Of course, we can understand something else, but it could be speakable. Can you speak C language? No, the C language is only dedicated for the computer. But I couldn't speak C language. C language can be read by, it can be converted by compiler. That compiler converted into C. 1 minute. That's a minute. The complexity. See here, this is a C language. The C language is not speakable, but it's a C++ can be source code. It's given compiler, and then there's assembly language. Finally, is linker, and we can convert into ones and zeros. But whatever this language here that we couldn't speak. Are you agree? The translation of high level to binary, whatever the high level language and the object code or assembly language and the binary language, all the languages cannot be spoken. They cannot be spoken. Okay, are you agree this? Yeah, this is the complexity. Nowadays we are benefited with a beautiful idea. You can understand. See, the high level language which cannot be spoken by ourselves, but it can be converted. It can be conveyed to the computer. But nowadays, by use of artificial intelligence, our natural language can directly talk with the binary. Can directly talk with the computer. Do you really enjoy that one? See that my direct natural languages. Find nowadays, what can we say? We said that find the largest number. That's enough. That's enough. I said find the largest number among 10. Like that, I give the 10 numbers, it automatically find that one. I don't want to write this C and C++. I don't want to write this lengthy code. I can say what? I can say to the computer what I want to say. This word. What is the word? Can you read, anybody? Find. Find. Can you read it? The find dash. Tulsi Priyan, yes, you are tried.
Find the largest numbers.
Thank you so much for your cooperation, Mr. Tulsi Priyan. So find the largest number. That word is enough. Automatically to what? It can create this file. That file is given to the compiler. That compiler is given to the encoder of machine language, and finally is in 100. That 100 given to the computer. So we don't want to write this C and C++ or Python code or any kind of code. We can simply say the voice itself. Find the largest number between the bracket, the 10 numbers or n numbers, whatever you want. So this is called natural language processing. I'm not saying any high-level languages like C or Python or Perl or Java, any kind of language. Directly, my spoken language can convert it into the high-level languages, and that the high-level language is converted to the compiling and is given to the computer. So this is called natural language processing. But whatever we practicing now, this is called high-level language processing. But high-level language processing is out of area now, is over outdated. Now we are moving on natural language processing. So what is natural language processing? Is that natural language? Wait a minute. Natural language processing means, see, this is that application of natural language, because I want to say something about the natural language processing is NLP. So NLP can do the language generation. It can generate the language and answering the questions, text classification, sentiment analysis, and machine translations. These are all the 5 important applications of natural language processing. What is natural language processing? Anybody can say if you are understand natural language. One more time, I just repeat the point. Natural language processing means our natural language can convert into the high-level language, and the high-level language is converted to the machine language. Simply, I can say that natural language is converted into the machine language is called NLP, natural language processing. Natural language processing. Natural language processing means what? Instead of high-level language for C or C++ or Python or any other kind of high-level language, we can directly communicate our natural language. The natural language also maybe a Tirunelveli slang, or maybe a Madurai slang, or it is a Tanglish, or it is a combination of any kind of word if you want. Is all kind of possible combinations can be possible converted into the machine languages by using the natural language processing. You got it? All of you got it? If you are accept this point, or if you agree the point, you can give me the thumbs. It's because this place is very important to understand. That's why. Tulasi, Priyan, Ritika, Bernadette. I'm so happy. Satish. Oh my God. Ahilash, Sivaraman. Oh my God. There's Srinivas. Madhav. I'm so happy. Okay. Indra Murugan. Indra Murugan, may I know she's from your college actually? Because my sister name also Indra Murugan. Maybe she came for this or not. I don't know. Right. Anyhow, I'm so happy. So once again, I repeat that before, very long before, high-level languages converting. Just I want to go to the slide. That slide may be useful to you. The high-level language, previously the high-level language is converted into the machine language. Now we are converting what? Instead of high-level language, our natural language is converting into the binary language or machine language. That is called natural language processing. Are you agree? Are you clear about this point? Because if this point is okay, that 50% we are succeeded. We are succeeded to the point. What is NLP? NLP means I don't want to write this code. I say this word, find the largest number. That's enough. I don't want to write this complete C++ code. I can say to my computer, find the largest number. That's enough. That's make a magic. It can find the largest number. It may be write any code is which is comfortable, maybe a Python code or Perl code or any kind of code. The system can write, depends upon the compiler or depends upon the modified algorithm what they are using that. So I don't want to write any kind of high level language. I can say find the largest number. பெரிய நம்பரை கண்டுபிடி அப்படின்னு சொன்னா போதும், the find the largest number is automatically started. We don't want to say any kind of thing. So we don't want to write a high level language. That is a beautiful idea behind the natural language processing. So natural language processing, anybody can give some example for NLP? Do you? I think everyone use NLP their daily life. NLP, natural language processing, we are using daily life, at least to the TV. At least to the TV. What is that? Anybody can say what is the natural language processing daily life? We are using that one. Anybody?
Sir, like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant.
Excellent, excellent. Bernadette Joshua, really appreciated. Everyone, please give a round of applause to Bernadette. Yes, Google as Assistant and Alexa, because we can say simply, Alexa, you can sing a song, you can move a song, or Google Assistant, with the help of Google Assistant, we can play this video. We don't want to type it, right? We don't want to type that video and any other search and all. Automatically it says, so our natural language is given by the Google Assistant. The Google Assistant is converted to the code which can be executable. So that is the beautiful. Every day we are using NLP. Every day we are using NLP with the help of our remote, and you can make your mobile phone Google Assistant call to my friend Vignesh, like that. If you say something, automatically it's calling the Vignesh, or call my mom, or call my sister, call my younger sister, call my elder sister, like that. We can say something, automatically the process is started and is executable. So the natural language is processing by there is no need of high level language of anything. This is the wonderful example of how the natural language processing we are. So the natural language processing, it has there's 5 levels: language generation, answering, text classification, sentiment analysis, and machine translations. Sentiment analysis means it can find you whether you are happy or not. Nowadays, happy index is available. Happy index by seeing your face or how you are typing, what is the question mark and exclamations mark, how you are typing, how your way of the speak, the tones, the tone analysis, and everything can make that sentiment analysis also. So that is also one of the prime factor nowadays to maintain the healthy situations on. So natural language processing application and tasks are what. So NLP pipelines, what are the process of NLP? Pipelines means sequence. What is a sequence of NLP is that the sentence segmentation, so that is a purpose to divide text into the individual sentence, word tokenizations, stemming, lemmatizations, identifying, stop words, dependency parsing, and part of speech tagging, finally, named entity recognition. So what is the first point? Segmentation. Am I right? Everyone can see that the pipeline. Pipeline means sequence. What are the steps of NLP? What is NLP? NLP means what? Anyone? Anyone can say what is NLP?
It's the gap between human language and the system.
No, yeah. You are excellent. You are giving a brief answer. I'm asking about that abbreviation. What is stands for NLP?
Natural language processing.
Excellent. Bernadette, again, you score it lot. So on behalf of everyone, I'm giving you a lot of flowers to use. Really, it's a great initiations to in this webinar session. So NLP is a natural language processing. It has segmentation. Okay. Anybody want to say something? Okay. I will continue. So yeah. So NLP is a sentence, is a segmentation. It's end with what? Entity recognitions. So what is the main objective of NLP is that your sentence, your word or your voice, your text or anything can be converted into the entity. Entity means it is a kind of exact meaning in Tamil we can call it as தொகுப்பு. தொகுப்பு we just make தொகுப்புனா ஒரு 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 பர்టిక్యులர் ஆர்டர்ல நம்ம வைக்கிறதுக்கு பேர் தான் தொகுப்பு. இதை வந்து நம்ம எப்படி சொல்லலாம்னா entity. So entity means whether it is a name or age or is an action or it is an environment or it's kind of message. So such a way we can classify it. After the entity is converted into a high level language. Of course, entity. So the main objective of NLP is that our linguistic language is converted into the named entity. That's it. That is the final. So you don't want to remember all the steps and all. So you have to remember that in natural language processing is that you can say the play. You can say Alexa, play the song from, like that. You can say some movie song. Like so automatically it play like that. So play means I start to play or I need sing a song or anything else. So it depends upon the verb. It start to give the high level language input. So the major part of NLP is that we are converting the segmentation of our speech to the entity. From the entity, it obviously give all kind of high level language. For example, you speak largest number means largest number is a keyword. And find is all. So it's automatically write the program for find the largest number and it will start to execute on behalf of you. Finally, you can find the largest number. Simply, you don't want to write anything. Simply, you sit in the chair, you say, Alexa, find the large number, or simply Google Assistant, find the large number, or any kind of chatbots. You can say, what is a large number? It's a kind of, so what is the major point of NLP? Anybody can summarize? What is the major estimation of NLP? What is the concrete core of NLP? To find dash. Can anybody can fill it? Anybody can fill it? What is the major part of NLP? Is that what is the major role of NLP? Segmentation is a starting role. And what is the main? Anybody can contribute? Anybody can say something about it? Yeah, Vignesh, Tulasi, Priyan. Anybody can say something. I'm so happy. Okay, I'll answer it. So the answer is to find the entity, named entity. So the main object of the NLP is to find the name entity of my speech or my text. That's only the part. Are you clear? Are you clear? The NLP do whatever you are speaking. The speaking will be converted into the text. The text will be finally converted into what? Entity. So the entity creation is one of the major role of NLP process. NLP is a process, only natural language process. In natural language process, what is the main part? Create named entity. That is the main object. For that named entity, these are all the 7 steps are used for dividing the speech into the named entity. Are you clear? Are you clear, everyone? So the main objective of NLP is to create named entity. If you have the named entity, automatically the named entity convert into the high level language, then obviously is moving on to the machine level language. For that high level language input, we have to convert the linguistic or our text message into a entity recognition, full entity one. Okay. Now again, I'm asking the same question. Please answer me if you are having the idea. What is the object of the main objective of our natural language processing from my speech. What is the main objective of the natural language processing from my speech?
To enable computers to understand, interrupt, and generate human language. That's
Yeah, that's really a wonderful answer from Benedict. But from the slide, what is my answer from the slide? I'm asking about from the slide. I think Benedict has a wonderful idea about this NLP more than. So yeah,
To create
Shruti.
the named entity.
Excellent, Shruti. I'm so happy and all. I'm so happy with the blend of applause to you, Shruti Saravana Kumar. Really is a wonderful. The main objective of NLP is that to find the entity. Because if you find the entity, it is easy to write the high level language. That's it. All the constraints can be easily formable. So the finding the name entity is one of the, because of why I'm insisting is that because this session makes you at least 2 or 3 points in your mind, because I couldn't make you a deeper knowledge about all kind of things. I just make you a surface level knowledge only, because my time is very less, and of course you are from second year students also. So, but I'm not underestimating you, but I can give a most affirmative idea in the NLP process to you. So the NLP can give the tokenization, stemming, lemmatization, and identify stop words, dependency parsing, and part of speech tagging, and finally named entity recognition. So this is my the complete idea to generate the NLP pipelines. So what is tokenization is that I love machine learning apostrophe, I mean exclamation mark. In this one, I'm dividing each one into the different I love machine learning and the exclamation mark. Just dividing the word by segmentation is called tokenizations. So what is tokenization? Simply, I just divide my divide my divide my the word into some words and exclamation also. So this is the text message. From the text message, this is called tokenization. And stemming versus lemmatization. So please, all of you, please give some concentration on this one. It's very easy and is very quite interesting also. What is stemming means? For example, change, changing, changes, changed, changer. Here, what are the things here? ing, es, ed, and er. So these are all the word is giving the verb what? Giving the verb what? Change. Am I right? Is giving the verb change. Simply the E, ing, es, ed, er. Just if I remove that one, I can get the common word. So from that one, I can, the stemming means removing ing, es, ed. That's it. What is stemming? Stemming means removing the ing, es, ed, or er. So these are all the some words. That words, if you remove, we will get. This is called as it's a word which we changing, changes, changed, changer, and change. So this all is converting. We are removing what? ing, is, and ed and er. If I remove that one, I will get change. This is called stemming. And lemmatization means finding the root word. Lemmatization means what? Finding the root word. Here, change, changing, changes, changed, changer. These are all available. What is the root word here? What is the root word here? Root word. Can you say? Anybody can say? My voice is audible? Are you in the class? Are you in a webinar? Yeah, please answer to me. So what is
Change.
yeah, change. Thank you for answering, Mr. Vignesh. So the answer is change. I think almost both are same, looking like same. I think now I'll give you one example here. Here, I can use instead of changing, changes, change, almost same. Here, assume that I'm using the word gone, went, going. I have three words. All of you listen. What is the word? Gone. G-O-N-E. I cannot write. Oh my God. So whether I can write or not. Wait a minute. I can annotate, right? Okay. So all of you, please keep in your mind, all of you, gone. G-O-N-E, gone. Went. W-E-N-T, went. Going. G-O-I-N-G, going. These three words, what is the root word? G-O-N-E, gone. W-E-N-T, went. And finally, G-O-I-N-G, going. If this three word, what is the root word? Went, gone, going. What is the root word? Went, gone, going. What is the root word? Where it is come from? Where it is come from? What is the root word?
Gone.
Gone. Excellent. Ritika is 100 marks to you. Really, I'm so appreciate. Go. Go is past tense is what? Went. Go is past tense is went, and continuous is going, and gone also is a past postulate. So it's a root word is go. It's called limitation. Limitation means finding the root word. And the stemming means going and has been gone. Like that, if I say going, goer, or eating, eater, eaten, like that, what is the main word? It is a eat. So eat, eaten, eaten. Such a way, if it is coming eat. So stemming means we are truncating. We are truncating the word er, eng, and es. So those kind of word, if you are truncating, that is called stemming. But lemmatization is finding the root word. Finding the root word of anything is called as lemmatization. So lemmatization means only the root word. It may be a gone or went. Went is not having ing. Am I correct or not? Went is not have going. Went is different word actually, but it's coming from what? It is coming from the root word is go only, because go past tense is went one. So that's a way. Lemmatization means finding the root word, and stemming means eliminating the eng or er or whatever the things in it. Are you clear? What is stemming or lemmatization? Because these steps are available in NLP, natural language processing. So where we are at the steps called here. So first word is word tokenization, means simply dividing the word. Stemming means eliminating the er, eng, or e. Lemmatization means, or lemma, it's called finding the root word of a particular function. Identifying stop words. Stop words means comma, full stop, and what are the things is available is called by using the exclamations marks or any kind of punctuations. We can identify the stop word. That is called as stop word identifying. And dependency parsing. That's one of the very interesting topic. So dependency parsing means here I can use, I think it's very blurred. Please adjust me. I prefer flight the morning Denver through. So if I got the message like this, I prefer flight the morning Denver through. Denver is a place actually. Through means via. So instead of here, I can use I prefer the morning flight through Denver. This is the exact phrase what we need. So dependency parsing means we are arranging the dependency, depends upon between the two words, whether it is matching between or the next word should come like this. Like that, we can make some tree arrangements. The tree arrangements, from the tree, we are dividing noun, verb, proverb, and the determiner, and finally past postulate and the proverb. So such a way we can by comparing the different two places, or depends upon the dependency whether it is possible or not. By we are simply arranging, or we are permutating the word into some proper way by using their dependency or their nearby things and all. So that's called dependency parsing. So dependency parsing means we are arranging the word depends upon their dependency, because this word should not come this word. Such a way we are comparing only two. We are not comparing all the word. We are comparing only nearby two people. If they are not matching, we are replacing. Finally, replacing. Such a way, we are arranging the word. It's called dependency parsing. And this is the complete outset of classical NLP. This is the original. Once upon a time, the NLP is being like that. NLP, natural language processing, is being like that. How is that? Text file and language detection is maybe English or Spanish or Hindi or what kind of language. That language, it is going to work on it. But see, it has some limitations. This is called pre-processing. Here tokenization is there. Here modeling. What do you mean by modeling? Modeling means what? Anybody? Modeling means what? What is modeling? It's a wonderful question actually, because in most of the places you are going to use the word is modeling. Like we can say language model, we can say the mathematical model. That kind of things is also, we can say modeling. Modeling means what? Anybody? Any idea for modeling? For example, how many of you visit Meenakshi temple in Madurai? If you are going there, just give a raise your hands or give a thumbs up. The temple, Meenakshi temple. Yeah, Shruti, Divya Darshini, Gauri, Godwin, Richard, Vishal. Yes, yes, thank you. When you are entering the temple, it's near to the Amman Sannadhi. You can see some model, right? Like Meenakshi temple. Same Meenakshi temple can be model. Did you see that? Did you see that? Same Meenakshi temple. Mr. Rajkumar, you are saying yes or no? I couldn't hear from you. Rajkumar, are you there? Yeah, anybody? Yeah. Yeah, did you see the Meenakshi temple model in this temple? மீனாட்சி நீங்க மீனாட்சி அம்மனுக்கு கோயில் போறப்ப அதே மாதிரி மாடல் பாத்திருக்கீங்களா?
பாத்துருக்கோம் சார்.
Excellent. Thank you, Mr. Rajkumar. So what is model means?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. What is model mean? Model means, now please give your attention here. Model means we are duplicating the same working principle into some places. It's called modeling. Modeling means what? We are duplicating the working principle of same thing into something. Did you see the Bahubali movie? How many of you see the Bahubali movie? Raise your hands. 2. I'm talking about Bahubali 2. 2 or 1? I'm not sure about. So in this case, there is in Bahubali, if you see the song, the people are very struggle about to take the water, and they are cutting the stones and all. They are very much struggle. So what Bahubali doing before that implementing, he's do some model. He's do the very small model, right? Did you see that in that movie? In that song, they are doing some small model. In the model is converted into the real model. So what is model means? We are just implicate or duplicate the working principle of our particular system is called modeling. What is modeling? We are duplicating the particular system is called modeling. Its name is called, if you go for Meenakshi temple or Bahubali movie, just we are imitating before implementing the real time. We are doing the duplicating something called. So what is modeling means? Modeling means we are imitate or we are duplicate some real existing work into some called as modeling. So mostly modeling we can see that we can see the mathematical modeling. Mathematical modeling. If you have a pen and paper with you, do you have a pen and paper with you? If you don't, please take it out. I'm just going to, I will finish very fast actually, but I want to say some important. Modeling means, what is modeling? Mathematical modeling. For example, somebody is walking. How you convert walking into equation? Mathematical equation means mathematical modeling. So the real time physical phenomena is converted into the mathematical is called mathematical modeling. So I can say y is equal to dx by dt. Y is equal to what? D f of x by dt means f of x, d by dt means slow movement. So I can say it's slow movement by somebody. So somebody is walking. For that walking, I can write an equation is that y is equal to f of y divided by dt. Means I'm converting the physical into mathematical equation is called mathematical modeling. All of you clear? All of you clear? The physical phenomena is converted into the mathematical expression is called mathematical modeling. Mathematical modeling. So the mathematical modeling means, what is modeling? Modeling means we are imitate or duplicate a physical system into another system is called modeling. Anyone can say now what is I want to get from you. Anybody can summarize what is modeling. Modeling means, because the whole subject is going to you use as a modeling. That's why I want to give you the idea about what is model. If you know the modeling, you can do wonder. Actually, you can wonder in artificial intelligence. That's very important. So modeling means anybody can summarize. It's possible. Don't hesitate, because you are the best person. Even if you're wrong, no one can do something. Mr. Harish, can you say something about what is modeling? Modeling means what? Once again, I repeat, modeling means a real system is converted into duplicating or imitating, or we can make into some other form is known as modeling. Are you clear? The real system is converted into imitated by any other way is called modeling. You got it? So that's called modeling. Okay. Right. So in this diagram, we can see here pre-processing modeling, that's called feature extraction, that's called modeling. And finally, the outputs are what? Sentiment, classification, entity extraction, translation, and topic modeling. So these are all the output of NLP. This is the classical NLP, very long before. Now, we don't want to do such a way. We are going to give what? This is called what? Deep learning network. This is called what? The dots, the nodes. These are all the nodes. These are all the nodes of neurons, and these are all the connections, the connector. So depends upon the deep learning means the number of neural network is repeated in many ways is called deep learning. Neural network is repeated into in a many ways, in a many layers is called deep learning. So the deep learning give the wonderful idea. Even here the language detection is there. Here, see, there is no language detection. I'm sorry. Here there is no language detections. Only the neural network is enough. I mean, the deep learning network is enough to do this one. That is a wonderful idea of deep learning. Deep learning is a subclass of artificial intelligence. So the deep learning is a basic idea. It's going to give the intelligence for the system by getting sentiment and classification and entity extraction. This is the working principle of a classical NLP. I said model, right? Model. Am I right or not? Model. So model means we have to see what is the main motivation of this NLP is that we are predicting next. What is the next? What is the next? For prediction, we need the probabilistic model. This is the probabilistic model. Here, mouse click ran Hickory doc the Decory. So Hickory and Decory was simply doc and clock is keep on fluctuating. We are changing that one. The possible combination of probability, which sentence is correct, that is given by the probability in this probability model. So this is the called probabilistic model, which is called language model. The language model, what we are utilizing it. There are two type of model: language model and neural network model. This is also the one of the example for hidden Markov model. Please note everyone, if anybody has the pen and paper with you, please note everyone. If you are very much about the hidden Markov model, you have wonderful hope in neural, artificial intelligence. AI algorithm is one kind of widely used, globally used AI algorithm for prediction is hidden Markov model. So all of you, please note down if you have a pen and paper or anything else. So hidden Markov model is one of the famous mathematical model is going to predict any kind of successive things. Mostly it starts for identifying the weather monitoring. I think in your mobile phone there is a weather monitoring is available, right? Tomorrow what is the degree Celsius, the day after tomorrow what may be the degree Celsius, it may be higher, whether it is possible to get rain or not. Such a way there is a prediction is that the prediction analysis can be done by the hidden Markov model. In this hidden Markov model is modeled by, it is modeled by x1 and x2 x3, these are all the states. Is maybe any here 3 states, but it's not a 3 state. N number of state depends upon your real-time problem. And y1 y2s are possible observation. So these are all the observation, and A is a state transition probabilities, and B is output probabilities. So these are all the state transition probabilities, and B11 means it is a state 1 2 and observation 1 1 1 1. 1 2 means what? 1 2 means what? B12 means what? It is a 1 2 2. So 1 2 3, 1 2 4, like that is keep on going on. So this is the hidden Markov model. So the Markov model is called probabilistic model. Is one kind of language model, how the language can be generated and predicted by this way. So this is so please, I give you the students, if you have a time, please go the hidden Markov model. You learn something about the Markov model. If you have ability to develop this hidden Markov model by your own way, by any language, scripting language, you are so privileged. Otherwise, nowadays you don't have you don't want to write a code. Actually, already is available. HMM learn is a library of Python code. HMM learn, that is a keyword of Python code library. In this one, we don't want to write the hidden Markov model. Already it has, it's a Markov model. You have to specify how many states, what is the observations, only the two, how many hidden states are available. Just you specify it, automatically the answer will be the your table. So it's easy to develop. But what is my suggestion is, if you have a very good, if you want to be a very good artificial intelligence analyst or data scientist, please go through on stick on hidden Markov model, because this mathematical model is widely used for many kind of places for prediction analysis. Almost is occupy 80% of 80% of places. But after hidden Markov model, slight modification was made, new algorithms are developed. But anyhow, the base is hidden Markov model. For you write any kind of language, C++ or C language is a construct is enough. If you know, if you study C language, you can write any language means like that. You can have wonderful idea about hidden Markov model means you can do any kind of predictive analysis of your machine learning or artificial intelligence algorithms, right? So this is the final things, the deep learning model, our NLP. So here the bidirectional encoder representation from transformer, which is called BERT, BERT. BERT, BERT means bidirectional encoder representation from transformer. It's called transformers. What is transforming? Is converting the big data. Big data means Wikipedia. The big data is converted into question and answers, sentiment, and finally what? This is what? This is what? Anyone? Anyone can say? What is that? Last one?
Named entity.
Excellent, Tulasi Priyan. Excellent, excellent. Thank you so much. My great applause to Tulasi Priyan. So the named entity, the name. If you have the name and named entity, we can develop our own high-level language that can be converted into other things. So obviously, the pool of data or a big data is converted into the named entity, which is by using the deep learning model. The name is called BERT. The BERT is so it's having long question and answering also, sentiment also, and named entity also. What is the application of natural language processing is that? Of course, chatbot, email filtering. We can filter this message I don't want to see. So automatically it can filter. But nowadays language translation is available in all mobile app. So that is, and sentiment analysis, predictive test, text summarization, smart assistant, that's called Google Assistant, and AES. So these are all the application of what? our natural language processing. So the natural language processing means my direct language converted to the machine language. I don't want to write any intermediate codes to the computer is called natural language processing. Okay, right. So NLP is clear, all of you. I think I don't want to take too much of time. I'm just going to finish with maybe within 10 minutes or something else. So, ma'am, is possible to take more than 10 minutes over there?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah, please. Thank you so much for your confirmation. So, that application, 1 minute. Please give a couple of minutes. Yeah, my system is get stuck actually. Could you hear me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is I think we are end with the NLP. So what is NLP? NLP means natural language processing. It contains so many steps. Main objective of the NLP is entity generation. Then it has so many tokenization and stemming, lemmatization, and so many steps. And intermediately, those steps we have discussed about that. Mathematical modeling and neural network modeling also we discussed here. So mathematical modeling is also imitating the real system into the fake one, or we can duplicate something else by mathematically, or any kind of is maybe circuits or any kind of things. That's called as a modeling. That language models are two types. I think my okay, my PPT was stuck over there. Okay, so these are all the end with NLP. Now we are going to move a very few of slides. Going to do the pattern recognition and the robotics and also, because my title is language to robotics and all. So within this 1 hour, how much can possible to produce that I can do? Yeah. Now the pattern recognition. The pattern recognition is that first we are sensing by using the sensor. We are sensing, finally segmentation and feature extraction and classification, post processing. See, the segmentation is only the algorithm. It needs at least 10 hours to explain segmentation. And feature extraction itself is having plenty of algorithm, k-means algorithm, and many kind of algorithms are available for feature extraction. So it needs at least 10 hours of explanations required. See, this pattern, this block diagram itself, it needs to more than 20 hours of explanations required. But for your understanding, I can simply show the surface level of idea about the pattern recognition. Is here you can see two dogs are very near, but the patterns is different. So by this pattern, we are dividing into two levels called pattern recognition by using this method. So it also needs neural network, deep learning, and the mathematical modeling, and a kind of segmentations. Many kind of process are inside it. So this is a pattern recognition. So this is the face recognition. The face is given here. Here are anti-spoofing, face processing, testing data, and processing data, loss function, face matching, and face extraction, and finally deep face recognition. These kind of algorithms are coming into the level for finding the face recognition algorithm. So it's a first recognition using deep learning model. So it's called visualization. Before, what we did, NLP is what? It is depends on hearing. This is for visualization. That was hearing. NLP is used for hearing. The face recognition and pattern recognition is the. So if we are going to integrate NLP and the pattern recognition together, it is nowadays is called as complete robotics. So which can see as well as hear. So the robot can robot nala paakavum mudiyum as well as kekavum mudiyum. So that we can see the two kind visualization as well as the hearing impairability, the two intelligence can be given to the system that is appreciable into a robotic level. So this is the robot. robotics, and AI robotics means computer vision. See, robot contains what? Vision. And what is this? This one I was showing here. This one. Can I see? What is that? This is what? Anybody? I'm indexing my arrow mark here. I'm showing the arrow mark here. What is that?
NLP, sir, natural language processing.
NLP is one of the sub part of robot. That's point I want to say to you. NLP, it is a sub part of robotics and computer vision, which is nothing but pattern recognition, and finally, and warehouse automation, automations, and precision farming, military application, robot assistant search. These are all the applications. But this is the natural language processing and pattern recognitions, one of the sub part of robotics. So this is the robotic sub parts. So the intelligent agent, I think Vikram movie. Have you seen the Vikram movies? Vikram movie, Kannada Lokesh or something else. What is the director name? I don't think so. In this movie, you can see Agent Tina, right? There are so many agents in the Vikram movie. Did you see that? Yes or no? No one can see the movie here? Okay. It's beautiful. Right. So Vignesh has said yes. Right. Thank you for your confirmation. So the agent means depends upon the environment, and with their sensing, and they may react. That's called agent, intelligent agent. What is intelligent agent means? See, the environment, from the environment, perception is coming. From the perception, the sensors and actuators are working, and they are given the actions together to the environment. So it's keep on done with the loop. They keep on done with the loops. It's called intelligent agent. What is intelligent agent? Environment, perception. Perception means we are getting some inputs. Perception and sensors. It may be visible sensor, sound sensor, or as a type of actuators. So that actuators, from the actuators is giving the output to the environment. So this is called as intelligent agent. I'm sorry, again, my system was stuck. Okay. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. But yeah, intelligent agent means it depends upon the environment, it's acting with the sensors. So this is the one kind of cleaning bot. So this cleaning bot has here what? Dust is there. Here is dust is there. This is A, this is B. This is what is the algorithm here to follow? A is clean, is moved to right. A is dirty, it's doing suck. B is clean, it's moving. Suppose B is clean, is moving A, I mean left. And B is dirty, it will suck the whole dirt and all. So A is clean and both are clean, it's going to right. A is clean and A is dirty, it suck. So depends upon the possible combination the bot can find. So depends upon the environment and its perception, it will react with the sensors. So this is called the basic bot, the cleaning bot nowadays what we have in our system. So the percept sequence and the actions. The percept sequence actions with the sensor is called robot. It's called as a bot. Now we can say it is a cleaning bot. So robotic, what are the basic is that the ethical and social aspects and modeling the robot systems, building the robot and mobile robot, principal robot in a selection, intelligence system, practical robot projects. So these are all the major classification area of the robotics. So if you know, this is a robotics basic. Robotic itself is a one separate course for like how the AML and the CSC is there. This is a robotic is a separate department for so that much ideology, that much knowledge is available. But for the sake of understanding, I just make it very short and understanding level. So here the location finder robot in a space application. See, you can see the location robot. Here the flow charts is there. There's so many, there are S1, S2, S3, S4, there are states. From the states, it want to move or not, what is the commands to be given by each state is given here. This is called flow chart. This flow chart is converted into the high level language. The high level language is converted into the machine language, which is given to this robot. The robot is having NLP and the vision pattern recognition and face recognition and sensor together inside, and finally it is attributed into the well equipped robot. Nowadays it is used in the space applications. Nowadays Mars one robot is available, but it's taking a lot of photographs every day, is giving more than 1,000 photographs, and it's making the sample analysis and sample sand analysis also. And there are so many research also done by self by the robot. So that robot is the combination of natural language processing, pattern recognition, sensor, intelligent agent system. It is a complete application of whatever we have studied today that was given here. So that is the final point. What is I want to convey from you. So just I want to make sure about my. So what we discussed today is that intelligence. It's like a Thirukural, we can say karka kasarara karpave karchapanirka. Language means it is a natural language and it's a high level language, machine level language. Natural language processing is a process directly from our natural language to the computer. NLP pipelines are 8 steps, and language modeling. Language modeling is mathematical modeling, and the neural network modeling. The mathematical modeling is a hidden Markov model. And finally, the pattern recognitions. The pattern recognition is again divided by segmentation, feature extraction, and clustering. And finally, is a decision making. There are a lot of algorithms inside it. An intelligent agent is a responding sensor with the actuator to the environment by perception as well as the resultant values. So this is called intelligent. And robotics is that robotic means is a combination of all the above together. This combination of all the above together is called robotics. So I just come to the end of the session. So I hope you can understand what is NLP, what is the process of NLP, what is robotic in a very simple aspect, and how they are converting into the modeling as well as the mathematical thing. If you have any questions, you can raise it. So please raise a question for me for a shake of things and all. I'm so happy about to get your questions and all. I just come to the end. So if you have any questions, you can. Okay, right. So I think I give my if you any just a minute. I just want to know. Oh my God, a lot of problem in my place from my side. So thank you so much for patientable listening and your patientable things and all here around. More than 80 students was there around 1 hour. I hope I can give some idea about what is natural language processing and how it is to be done here. So thank you so much for your passionate listening. Thanks for your opportunity also. Thanks for your opportunity also. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Mohanapriya ma'am and Saraswati ma'am, and your head of the department and the principal sir for giving the wonderful chance to talk with the vibrant student. I really appreciate the students are so vibrant. They are so lovable. So that's a thing, and I would like to. I would like to get some point from the students also. If anything, please you can share your things, and I'll give my mail ID to your coordinator. So if you want any further your NLP or language processing or any kind of doubts or any kind of algorithmic value, if you want to develop any kind of projects also, you may get my idea. I will support to you in online. So I'm so pleasure to work with to be in future if you want. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If anything else, you can give some your points. Any two persons, you can say something. I'm so happy about this session. I'm done actually. Anything else to say? Anybody? Yeah, Mona Priya ma'am, yes ma'am.
Sir, thank you so much, sir. Actually, it was a very useful session to us. Students, you can share your feedback, or do you have any doubts? You can ask, sir.
Yeah, I'm so eager to get some doubts and your queries and points and all. You can carry over your points. Yeah, Benedict.
Sir, on doubt, sir, in that segmentation, the changing, that one is some doubt, sir.
Okay.
How we can find this?
Yeah, please continue.
Sir, in that, how we can find that? If means the changing, that like how we find it?
Yeah, I think you're talking about the segmentation. Am I right? Am I right, Mr.
Yes,
Benedict?
yes, yes,
Actually,
sir.
in
Yes.
image processing, the segmentation is one of the specific topic actually. If your two regions are segmented between the pixel regions, mostly the two regions are pixel. There is a huge difference between two pixels. There is a huge difference between the two pixels. Is called. He's taken. he actually the two pixels that are 2 points having high variant. The d by dt or the differential calculus of the value is very high, means it is a segmented. It's a very two different region. So how we are finding the different region is the differential calculus output is very high, means the regions are dramatically changes, so the region should be segmented. So for that we use, he's taken Tekla Laplace operator, Sobel operator, there are the operators who are finding the segmentation. So Benedict, you might have this idea about in future your upcoming semester in image processing or any other subjects if you have. But the answer is the segmented value can be done by get the value of differential calculus output. That's it.
Sir, like the large entity divided into smaller, that's the segmentation, sir.
No, large entity is that. What is the differential? For example, what is the difference between this one pixel is there, the another pixel is there? What is the different pixel difference? This is 0. This is 25, means same. 0 to this is 255 means there is a huge difference. So we are subtracting, not dividing. We are dividing means masking. Dividing means it's a kind of masking. We are subtracting the or getting the modulus of the value of 2 pixels. That will be or any Euclidean distance between the 2 pixel is obviously called as a segmentation, not for dividing. Dividing means it's kind of mask in image processing. And you have very nice doubt, Mr. Benedict. If you have further any clarity, I can share my mail to you can talk, or I share my telegram. You can have your any doubts on it. Okay. Anyone?
Okay,
Anyone?
sir.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Anybody? Tulasi or Vignesh, or if anybody talk to there, I'm so happy about it. Mr. Tulasi or Mr. Vignesh, or anybody. Thank you. Shruti also can talk something else. If one person, with this one person, we will close it actually. Anyone can share your idea, or you can raise your doubts. It's clear. Everyone is clear with that one. I hope you can all are getting a very good idea in this one. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Just coming to a closing note. Monica, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, continue
Yes,
the question.
Yeah, ma'am. Hello, everyone. I'm Monica, and I feel very happy to deliver the vote of thanks for today's webinar, which is Artificial Intelligence in Action from Language Understanding to Intelligent Robots. First of all, I sincerely thank our resource person, Dr. Anand Anbalagan, for taking his valuable time and sharing such useful insights with us. Your talk was really very inspiring and informative, sir. At the start, the way you connected artificial intelligence with our Tamil literature through a Tirukural, which was really amazing and really made us to understand the concept in a simple and meaningful way. And later, you have also explained about NLP pipeline, and also a new concept which is hidden Markov model in a clear way, which was really very helpful for us as an artificial intelligence students. Once again, really very thank you, sir. And I also like to extend our thanks to the head of department, Dr. R. Akila, for guiding us in organizing this event. And also a special thanks to our coordinators, Mrs. Saraswati and Mrs. S. Mohanapriya, for their efforts behind this program. And finally, I thank all my friends and fellow mates for joining and making this section meaningful. Thank you all.
Okay, thank you, Miss Monica, about your wonderful narration about the whole our webinar session. I hope with this 1 hour, I think is this much level only can possible, but even hidden Markov model itself can talk around more than 3 hours. There is that much interior points inside it. But I want to inspire you. What is modeling? What is mathematical modeling? What are the steps of NLPs and how it is incorporated in robotics and all? So I hope I done with my job. I hope I'm just self-satisfying myself only. I don't know how you are getting the point and you are enjoying the session. Anyhow, it's a nice time spent with you. And thanks to everyone, especially to the whole organizing teams of this webinar session, especially the head of the department, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, and the principal sir and the coordinator, and especially my lovable students. I'm so happy after a long time I'm talking with my language people with the language processing. I'm so happy. Thank you, thanks on and all present here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.